Is your Buick Encore struggling to connect to Apple CarPlay? Let's fix that connection in under 3 minutes. Studies show that a vast majority of infotainment glitches are actually just simple software or hardware handshake failures. Before we start replacing expensive modules, we need to systematically isolate the problem. Start by swapping your cable, then clear your phone's memory, and finally force a hard reset of your Buick's head unit. If the software reset didn't work, check your physical USB port for debris and ensure your phone is running the latest iOS. Verify that Siri is enabled and that your screen time restrictions aren't accidentally blocking the CarPlay feature entirely. Try these DIY steps first, but if the unit still fails to detect your phone, you might need a professional firmware flash. As you can see, the cost ramps up quickly if you move past simple cables and into actual component replacement territory. For the advanced level, check your fuse box and ensure the head unit is getting proper power before considering a factory reset. Keep a basic multimeter and some compressed air handy to rule out common power and debris issues. Remember, a little patience during the diagnostic process saves you a lot of money at the service counter. If you're still having trouble, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Buick fixes.